Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Seamoth battery. First, you'll need to locate the power cell compartment on your vehicle. This is usually found on the underside or rear. Make sure you have a fresh, fully charged power cell ready for the swap. The entire process is quite straightforward and doesn't require any specialized tools, so you can get back to exploring quickly. Just follow these simple steps to power up your Seamoth. To begin, approach your Seamoth and look for the power cell access panel. This panel is generally located on the underside or towards the rear of the vehicle. Once you've spotted it, simply interact with the panel to open the compartment. You'll see the power cells housed within, ready for removal. It's a simple mechanism designed for quick maintenance, so don't worry about complicated steps. Now that the compartment is open, carefully remove the depleted power cell from its slot. It should slide out easily. Next, take your new, fully charged power cell and insert it firmly into the empty bay. Ensure it clicks into place or feels secure. Once the new cell is in, simply close the access panel. You'll hear a satisfying click, confirming it's sealed and ready for action. With the new power cell installed, check your Seamoth's power indicator to confirm it shows a full charge. Then, take a moment to test the vehicle's functions, like propulsion and lights, to ensure everything is operating correctly. You're now ready to dive back into the depths with a fully powered Seamoth. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your life easier on land too, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.